Hey there, brownie fans! Duff here, ready to share my ultimate fudgy brownie recipe. These brownies are so good, they'll disappear in a flash. Get ready for a chocolate explosion in your mouth. Let's get baking. This recipe is easy to follow. You'll be a brownie master in no time. I'm talking about gooey, rich, and super chocolatey brownies. Trust me, this is the only brownie recipe you'll ever need. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need the usual suspects: butter, sugar, eggs, and chocolate, of course. Don't forget the flour and cocoa powder. For the frosting, we'll need powdered sugar, more butter, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Remember, quality ingredients make a difference. Use real butter and good quality chocolate for the best flavor. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that your brownies bake evenly and achieve that perfect texture. A properly preheated oven sets the stage for a successful baking experience. Grease and flour a baking pan. Use a generous amount of butter to coat the entire surface, then sprinkle flour evenly. This creates a non-stick barrier that makes it easy to remove the brownies once they are baked. This prevents the brownies from sticking. Ensuring that the pan is well prepared will save you from the frustration of having your delicious brownies stuck to the pan. Now, melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Be patient and keep the heat low to avoid burning the butter. Melted butter adds richness and moisture to the brownies, making them irresistibly soft and chewy. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in the sugar. Mixing the sugar into the warm butter helps to dissolve it, creating a smooth and glossy mixture that will blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time. Don't overmix. Adding the eggs gradually ensures that they are fully incorporated, giving the batter a smooth and uniform consistency. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies, so mix just until combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. This step ensures that the dry ingredients are evenly distributed, preventing clumps and ensuring a consistent flavor throughout the brownies. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Take your time and fold the mixture gently to avoid overworking the batter. This will help maintain the brownie's tender texture. Now the batter is ready. Pour it into the prepared baking pan, spreading it evenly to ensure uniform baking. Your brownies are now set for the oven, where they will transform into a delectable treat. Section 4. Into the oven. Baking your brownies. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, where the magic truly happens. Pour the brownie batter into the prepared pan. Make sure to scrape every last bit of that delicious batter from the bowl, so nothing goes to waste. Spread it evenly with a spatula. This ensures that your brownies bake uniformly, giving you that perfect texture in every bite. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on them as they bake, and enjoy the wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. This is a crucial step to ensure your brownies are perfectly baked. If it comes out with a few moist crumbs, it's ready. You don't want it to be completely clean, as that means the brownies might be overbaked. Let the brownies cool completely before frosting. This step is essential to achieve the best results. This is important so the frosting doesn't melt. If the brownies are too warm, the frosting will become runny and won't set properly. While the brownies cool, let's make the frosting. Gather your ingredients and get ready to whip up a delicious topping that will complement your brownies perfectly. Section 5. Frosting, the crowning glory. In a mixing bowl, beat the butter until light and fluffy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating until smooth. Stir in the vanilla extract. For a thinner frosting, add a tablespoon of milk at a time. Once the brownies are completely cool, frost them generously. You can get creative with sprinkles or chocolate chips on top. Now your fudgy brownies are ready to devour. Section 6. Brownie Bliss. Enjoy! Welcome to the final section of our brownie journey. There you have it, my ultimate fudgy brownie recipe. These brownies are rich, decadent, and absolutely irresistible. It's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday party, a family gathering, or just a cozy night in, these brownies will be a hit. These brownies are best enjoyed warm with a glass of milk. The combination of the gooey chocolate and the cold milk is simply divine. They also make a great gift for friends and family. Imagine the joy on their faces when they receive a box of these homemade treats. Remember, baking is all about having fun and experimenting in the kitchen. It's a wonderful way to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch. Try adding nuts, caramel, or even a sprinkle of sea salt for an extra burst of flavor. Now go on, grab your aprons and let's get baking. The kitchen is your playground and these brownies are your masterpiece. Enjoy every moment and every bite.